In this video, I'm going to show you how to record guitar on Soundtrap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your project, and then you want to click on Add New Track either over here in the middle or top here at the top left. So click on Add New Track and select guitar from the list. Here you can select which guitar you actually want to record. So here you have like pop by default, you can click on that, and then you have a bunch of different options for each and every single guitar over here. So I'm just going to use this one over here, which is the Bill Thrill. You of course can play it to actually hear what it sounds, and if I go ahead and basically use this, as you can see, it's going to play the guitar. Now, of course, you could use the instrument, you could go into chords if you wanna, you have the piano roll, and then you have the effects. But if you just want to record your guitar, that's how you do it. You want to position yourself wherever you want to start. I'm gonna go to the very start here, and then I'm gonna start by recording, hitting this record button. It's gonna start counting me down, and then when that's over, I can go ahead and just play something, and it's actually going to remember it whenever I record. So I'm going to click on pause right now. There we go. As you can see, here I have my recorded guitar. What's also great about this is you could also go to the piano roll, and then inside the piano roll over here, you could go ahead and of course create your own as well. So if I go to the right here, oops, too much, I could go ahead and just basically put in notes. I can click on this pen button, and I can go ahead and basically start drawing these in, and of course I'll be able to then resize them, move them around, stuff like that, and that way I can actually go ahead and create my own kind of guitar tunes. Okay, so if I now play this, you'll be able to hear I've successfully recorded some guitar just like that. Now it sounds bad, of course, but that's essentially how you achieve this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.